Hello, welcome to another unboxing video. Okay, out of the box, it kind of looks like a dork. It's a little crooked. The cool thing is that the tail's articulation, the part where the tail is at, isn't really painted, so I can move it in any direction I want. It look weird. Or different sculpting. You can rip off this piece. Came with a heave. It's close to the thing from Godzilla animated series, the Heat. The name. In comparison with Godzilla and King Kong from the side. Bye!